That's the move that made you viral right there. You just pulling the wires. That's the one that went up right there. Deja vu. Mm-hmm. Neutral. That's the ground wire. What's that called again? That's neutral. And the black one's called the positive. Okay. I was there. I was there. But so the white one will be negative in a sense, or no?
Yeah, the white one's
Okay.
always negative.
All right.
Unless like because when you using what's the name? It's no.
You ain't ready for that.
When you doing this
Mhm.
light a light or whatever,
Mhm.
it's see, it's not really no positive or negative on the light. It's just the switch controls everything, so it's on and off. So it's the circulation of power. The switch stop it and then give it power.
Mm.
So these you just connect them back. You're taking this light out. So all you're doing is putting this in there so we can use the switch. So when the switch is on, that means this is venting in here.
Mhm.
And you see how this is connected to the black?
Mhm.
So that means one is carrying power, one is the power, and one is carrying, what's the name?
Which one?
The wire nut.
The what?
Wire nut.
What are you talking about? Wire net.